5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times. Save the stress and your book. Okay, very good. I believe you understand from here to here that index notation is a way of shortening the product of a number, or index notation is a way of shortening the factors of the product of a number. Okay, let's continue. You can take down this as the meaning of index notation. You can pause it and write it down if you need it, or you don't really understand it for now. You can pause and write it down. Okay, I said I'm going to give you everything we need in to crack any initial equation or exponential equation or any equation pertaining indices. Okay, so now let's consider this. Let's consider that our A times A times A times A times A. Here is A 5 times, right? Which can be shortened to be A raised to power 5. Okay, so now let's come. We have started indices. Uh, the A here is what we known as what? Where the A is known as what? The base. Must understand that the A is the base. Okay, so anything downward is the base. Then when anything upward here, and 5 is the word power. So that, and 5 is the power. Okay, let's continue. So A is the base, 5 is the power. Also, if I'm having y raised to power 8, here y is the base, and 8 and 8 is the power. You see that? That's clear, right? Okay. What we do next here now? Let's take the laws of indices. We understand that you must be able to identify the base and the power of every question or every index notation. See that? You should be able to identify the base and the power of every index notation. If you are seeing a equation that has the power, you should know that here, from here to here is the base, and from here to here is what the power of this particular index notation. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, if you are going to proceed this, for instance, I'm having this now. X raised to the power 11. You already know that. What's the base here? The base is S, and the power is what? 11. That's very correct. Okay, let's consider this now. Let's go over to the laws of indices. Laws of indices. Trust me, if you pay attention to this law I want to state,